Hi, my name is Justin Andrea Namwe. I'm a CFA member and a CBO leader. I work directly with communities and small businesses around Kenya. From my experience, I've seen three problems that recur over and over again. The first is financial exclusion. Millions of people, SMEs, CBOs, and informal saving circles still have no access to meaningful financial tools. The second is inflation. Even when people save, their money loses value faster than it grows. The third is the technological gap. Most banks do not use blockchain, so people need certain transparency, efficiency, and access to global assets. How think about a small business owner working every single day generating some real income but unable to invest, unable to build wealth, and constantly exposed to financial risk. That is the reality of millions. So the question becomes, how do we give everyday African access to financial tools that actually build wealth? Well, this is where Kai comes in. Kai is a decentralized financial ecosystem built on Hedera Hashgraph. We are not building everything from scratch. We are leveraging on what already exists. We and making it work for Africans. What we combine is powerful. We combine real-world asset tokenization, programmable DeFi, vaults, agentic AI automation, and community-driven liquidity. Most importantly, we give CBOs and SME and informal saving groups access to direct investment to HBAR and BTC.HBAR investing. Through our vault tokens, users can now save, invest, and hedge against inflation using global inflation-resistant assets. Now let me walk you through how it works. First, you connect your MetaMask or Hashback wallet. Once you're inside, next you can move to your AutoMine. This is where you drop daily tokens where you can simply press start and agents begins mining it for you automatically. No need for manual effort, no complexity. The system works for you. At the core of Kai, we have vault-based investing. Every vault represents our financial strategy. White token is a diversified ETF of HBAR and BTC.HBAR. Think of it as a blockchain ETF for Africa. While gold is backed by gold and token as real-world infrastructure. Where Bob is an algorithmic stablecoin over-collateralized by USDC and Kenya infrastructure bonds at 150% inside one ecosystem. Users can grow their wealth, hedge against inflation. We then go beyond DeFi into full financial service layer. Because we aim to be fully regulated in Kenya, we integrate real financial instruments, which are securities. The first is the Kai Trust enabled programmable inheritance with AI-focused conditions with zero knowledge verification. We also have the pension. Kai Pension offers long-term saving and steady compounding of yield. Our insurance model is key innovation. Instead of paying monthly premiums, users deposit into a yield-generating pool that earns yields and pay their insurance coverage. So money continues to grow while you stop, while they stay protected. For SMEs, we digitize their business. We convert their cash-based transaction into verifiable digital records, tokenize them, and unlock access to loans, credit, and financial identity. We provide smart AI inventory hub where the system detects opportunities in the ecosystem and executes automatically. SMEs do not chase opportunity. The system works for them. On our community side, we have the CFA dashboard. This is for the CBOs built for community-based organization. Here, users can participate in treasury, governance, voting, and decision making. They can list or tokenize assets like honey, baobab powder, and local products. They can also join community groups from seedling nurseries to ecotourism ventures and beekeeping cooperatives. As long as they have a wallet address, they can participate. On the mine page, users can claim daily tokens like the Kai, the white gummy, or activate the auto airdrop for passive yield capture. And with the Hedera token service, anyone can deploy their own token with Kai, even if it's a product, a venture, or a community project, as long as they have liquidity backing. All this is powered by Hedera Hashgraph. The token service means every vault token with the inbuilt compliance and metadata. The Hedera consistent service ensures transparency, verifiable logs, and every AI agent action. Thanks to the OpenConv AI, Hedera consistent service 10, the Hedera schedule service automates future executions for things like pensions, trust, and insurance payout, and Solidity contracts power the DeFi logic. All this runs for a fraction of cents. And enterprise grade security, we integrate AI locally currently we're using the local model with a 4 GB RAM. You can run this model, gain access to the Kai agent. We already have started testing on SMEs, CBOs, and community leaders have seen the product. They have told us if it works, they'll bring the entire networks. And because I'm deeply embedded in this community myself, I understand just how powerful that these networks are and their adoption can be. Kai is not just a financial tool, it's a future shining bright like stars. A financial system for SMEs, wealth engine for communities, and a bridge for Web 2 to Web 3. We're not just building technology, we are building Africa's financial future.